Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2019 Boston Whaler 150 Montauk. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. The boat is 15 foot overall, has a 6 foot 6 inch beam, and has a weight with engine and gear of about 1,400 pounds. Starting here on the transom, you see this boat is equipped with the Mercury 60 horsepower 4-stroke. So as you step up into the cockpit, you'll see that you have rod holders, you have a live well as well, fuel tank under the seat, the leaning post seat will go in a number of different positions. When you come up to the helm, you've got your throttle and shift, your stainless steering wheel, you have your toggle switches on the dash, the storage compartment that also has the battery switch. See, this boat is equipped with a bimini top. Also has the teak accents, which really set it off, give it that classic whaler look. As we move up more towards the bow, this boat's equipped with the fishing package. So you have rod holders, your cooler seat, you have anchor storage under the cushion. You also have a trolling motor panel here, so if you ever wanted to add a trolling motor. Well, again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Thank you for taking the time to check out our 150 Montauk. We'd be glad to show you this or any boat we have in inventory. Give us a call at 910-256-8100.